Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing Itachi, Uchiha Itachi. I have a Itachi video already, but it's like a real close-up on his face, so I thought I'd do one that's sort of more zoomed out, and it has his head and shoulders in it. So standard sort of situation, we'll start with his right eye, and we'll start with the eyelid of that eye. So find about the middle. Vertically here, we're up a bit higher than middle horizontal, so it's like that's the dead center of my page, and if I come up a little bit and come over, and we'll start this right eye there. So we just bring a diagonal line up this way, and then it comes this way across. And the thing with Itachi, he's got this hair coming down his face, so what we're going to do is stop this line just about here, and then bring a line just down a little bit beside that for where one of his pieces of hair is. It comes down pretty far then, but we'll finish his eye first. In under there we have his bottom eyelid then, so we're going to curve, bring it straight across there, and then this goes diagonal up into that piece of hair. And Itachi has some eyelashes that come off just here. We can see maybe some in behind the hair there. And then we can make just maybe this line a bit thicker if you wanted. Into there. Then he has his pupil and iris in there. So it's a circle, and you just gotta do a line there like that. The bottom is cut off by the eyelid. We'll come over and we'll do the other side. Just there like that. So then we're going to give him maybe Sharingan inside. So you could color it dark if you didn't want Sharingan activated, but I'm going to give him the standard dot in the middle with the 3 commas around. So we're going to go dot in there, and then we'll go a comma here. So you just do 3 dots, maybe one here too, and then one here. So those 3 dots, and then you can do the spikes off them, going up, and going around there. Of course, some of this will be covered by Itachi's hair because he has pieces of hair that come down across his eyes as well. So, but his hair is black, so we can cover it. Right, so we'll do his eyelid here. So just comes up above that, up, and then this will go across here, meets that hair, stops as well. Then he has his eyebrow above, so just diagonal line there, and then this will go diagonal up under his hairband, his headband, sorry, up into there, and then that's dark, gets thinner as it goes up underneath his headband. So now we'll come over and we'll do his other eye. So you want to measure about an eye distance. So imagine the width of his eye. Come over, measure, and then we do the same sort of thing that's here. Same sort of shape. Like that, and of course this meets hair as well. So we do a line down this way, just kind of like here. I make this a bit longer, just so you can see a bit clearer. And this one as well. So that's the start of his hair. Then we have the bottom eyelid then. Just there. And of course you can make this a bit thicker. And you can maybe start some of those eyelashes that Itachi has on this side as well. And then he has his pupil inside there, an iris. So we do a circular line there. And then this will come back up around here. And then Sharingan, pupil, and dot, dot, and then one there maybe. And then you just add the dashes off them. They're just commas. Coming around, I'm going up there. Yeah, so then we have a line above for his eyelid. So just here. And then we have another eyebrow just going off in this direction underneath the hair. So we just start a bit like this side, and then it'll go all the way, and then it'll get thinner as it goes. And then you can color it in dark. So now we'll do his nose. So he has a line coming in here, diagonal, and then this comes down the middle of his face. He's another small one on this side. And then he has those lines that are on his face that only Itachi has. He's the only character, I think, with them. Maybe his dad has them as well, I can't remember. So one that way, then another one coming this way, down his face. And then we put 2 lines for nostrils, so one there, one there. And then his mouth then. So just down from that nose a bit. So we'll do his lip, comes up, down the middle, comes back that way. And then a line for just his bottom lip, just there. And then we'll finish these lines for hair, then we'll do his jaw and his chin. So curves down like this. Straighten it out if you make any mistakes. Of course, if you're using pencil, I'd say use pencil, and you can rub out your mistakes or happy accidents. So these spike up now, just there. So that one's shorter. You can make them the same length if you wanted. So his jaw then, just there, comes down around to his chin, and then this will come back up. Just like that. And then, so his hair, so his spikes coming down here above his headband, and then it comes around, finishes his head. So we'll do his headband first. So his headband comes across the top of his eyebrows just here. So all the way across. Like that. And then he has the metal plate in there as well. So you need to do another line just for the bottom of that metal plate. Curves up underneath hair there. So then this hair starts to go up now like this, and then this side also up like that. Now, so we have 2 spikes that come down across his face. So we can go first from here down this direction, comes down right across his eye, and then it'll spike back up all this way. And then something similar over here, curves down over his eye, and then back up here. And then these sort of go behind his headband then. So we'll draw a line for the headband, just straight across like that, and then he has those lines that come down behind the headband just there. Then of course we have the symbol for the leaf village and the scratch mark. So the easiest to start is the scratch mark, because it's like just straight lines across like that, then another one underneath like this, and then the hidden leaf village with the spiral with the beak and the tail. So we do like a triangle first like this, another triangle inside, like that. And then we have the spiral that will come out to its tail just here. So we'll jump over the scratch mark. Of course, if you're using a pencil, you can rub out any of these. You can draw over and rub out the lines you don't want to keep. So up, around, tail. And then we're going to box this in to make it a double line. So doubling it up. See that? And then this comes back and it'll spiral out. So it'll go that way. And then we'll make that double as well. Comes back and joins this. And then this will come around under there. A double line. And we can see maybe a little bit of the top of that just here under the scratch mark. And then there's some bolts just under his hair. So like the bolts that are keeping the headband on just here. And maybe some of the scratch mark can be seen between the hair. And then the top of the metal plate. Just there like that, and make it a double line to show it's thicker. Just like that. Right, so more hair. So we'll finish his hair on this side. Spike down, spike up, spikes back down this way. So 3 spikes, 1, 2, 3, and then this will travel up around his head to the other spikes over this side. So we'll do these spikes over here now, coming down beside his jaw, spike back up, spikes back down, spikes back up. So this will come up now and go the whole way around his head. So we're going to go start traveling up here. And then on the other side you could do something similar, just up to about there. We can see his ear here, so we're going to put his ear just a little bit, just like that, and then maybe a bone ligament line just like that. And then this is going to come all the way around top of his head. We'll try and make it as symmetrical as we can. Of course, his hair in the manga is colored all in black. In the anime, it's sort of, depending on the light, it's like black or grey. And then this comes down and disappears behind his collar, his Akatsuki collar. So we can do that collar. So this comes around from there, goes around his head. So imagine it keeps going around his head, and then it's going to come out here and then curve back that way as well. And it's going to come right close to that hair just there, maybe touching it even. And then these come down all the way off my page, and the same on the other side here. Big collar, the red and black Akatsuki jacket, and then it has the rim just there as well, coming all the way down. Same over here, we'll bring it down all the way, and then same on this side. So 3 lines that travel in that way. And then we can just see shoulder goes off the page, shoulder goes off the page there. So neck. So we'll do just a line from his jaw, just coming down here and in. And the other line for his neck is underneath his hair. So we'll just imagine we're drawn, and then it comes out here. And it comes down into his collar. And then he has a line just for a neck muscle just there. And then a collarbone comes and touches that. And then his other collarbone comes across this way. And then his back of his neck just curves down here, touches his jacket, and then comes into there. He has that necklace. that he wears with like 3 eyes. Well, they look like eyes, I think. So it's like an eye sort of shape here. And it has a circle inside. There's another one up here. Circle inside. And then another one just here. So it's like kind of lemon shape or an eye shape. Circle inside, and then they're joined together by a line that goes the whole way across. Touches on the corners of them. And then he has a t-shirt on, just between his collar. Goes across. 2 lines. And then there is crisscross lines on that. So you can do that. You could start this direction or this direction and crisscross them. It's totally up to you. So we'll just start here and start bringing. There's probably about 1 centimeter between them if you're doing this on an A3 page. So just bringing some lines this direction. And now we'll go the opposite way. Just making a crisscross pattern. Something like that. There he is. Oh wait, not done, sorry. We can see the back of his hair just coming down here behind his neck. Curve there, so it's this piece of hair coming down. He's like a ponytail back there, tied together, and then comes out this side, and that is Uchiha Itachi. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share if you want.